Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and today I'm back with a tutorial, and I've got a prototype to show you. Well, the first one I made, because there's quite a lot of these around, but it's a single diamond fold card, okay, and it just stands up like that, and I think it's really pretty, so we're going to make that today. So I've got some little bits and pieces cut out for mine. The card I'm using is a Stampin' Up card, which I think it's Highland Heather. It needs to measure 11 by 6 inches, okay, and we need to do a few scores with a scoreboard first. So we'll put it in on the long side, and we're going to score at 4 inches, 6 inches and 7 inches. Alright, so you should end up with 3 score lines, and then you will need a ruler and a pencil. So what we're going to do is, along the top we are going to mark with a little pencil mark at 2 inches, okay, and then down the side we are going to mark it at 3 inches, okay, and then along the bottom we're also going to mark the same at 2 inches, just like we did along the top. Alright, so what we're going to do is just take a stylus or a bone folder or whatever you want. So from that little 2-inch pencil mark to this second score line, we're going to score a line, okay, so just straight down. Alright, and then again from this second score line we are going to score from there to the 2-inch mark that we marked on the bottom. Okay, so from the second score line to the pencil mark, which, sorry if I'm getting my head in, I can't see very well, I think it's there. Yep, so just mark a score line straight down. Okay, so you should end up with that, and then from again the 2-inch pencil mark we're going to mark down to the little 3-inch pencil mark we made down the side of the card, and again we're going to do the same, the 3-inch pencil mark to the 2-inch pencil mark at the bottom, and that's it really. Pretty simple. So that is what you should end up with, okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to cut these bits, these 2 pieces away here. So I'm just going to turn it round and I'm just going to snip them away. So you will end up with that, and then if you've got any little pencil marks you can just rub them out. Okay, so what's going to happen is we are going to fold. How do we fold this again? So we want to fold over like this, and again like this, so we have like created that, okay, and then this one is going to go back this way, okay, and then we are going to fold these back over this way. It's quite hard to see them actually now. So just back over that way. And same with the other one. And then just burnish them. And then it should start to fold up like that. I think that's not folded properly in the middle. I don't know why that point's not going in there. I must have folded mine wrong. That's right, so you should have what looks like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've got some paper here which I cut to 3 3/4 by 5 3/4. That's going to go there. And I'm just gonna give mine like fancy little corners. Okay, just like that. And I'm also gonna put some ribbon around this piece here. Need to get some tape. Okay. And then I'm going to attach this onto the card. Okay, so that is going to go just on the inside, like so. And then I've got a little bow that I tied with the same ribbon, and I'm just going to pop that in the middle. That sticky thing off, or it's going to annoy us. Right, so just a little glue dot on there, and I'm going to pop the bow in the middle. Okay. And then I have got these dies from Alinacraft, which I got sent to me last DT package. And what I've done is I've cut them all out in this like kind of champagne colour foil. And they are going to go on the front of the like diamond. And then I've cut the second largest, and I'm going to pop that in here, but I'm going to stamp a little sentiment on, which is thinking of you, please know that I care. Okay, so I've got some ink that matches the card, and hopefully this sentiment should fit on, I hope. does. There we go, fits pretty well actually. So I think I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the back of that. And I'm just going to pop that kind of in the middle, about there. Okay, and then to decorate this bit, so I've got, they're going to go on there just like that, because I thought they were kind of perfect for this card. So I'm going to put some sticky pads on, and then it'll also kind of give it a bit of dimension as well. So I'm just going to pop them on there, and then we'll just go down in the sizes. And then you even get a little tiny one. Oops, dropped it now. So just try and get them kind of even. And I'll put all the links in the description of the dies that I've used. So that it'll be like the front of the card, and then so it will stand up. Let me get it right. Yeah, it will kind of stand up like that, which I think that looks so pretty. And then what I've done as well is I've used this die before. It's a Flourish from Alinacraft, and I was just going to pop that kind of, maybe it's going at the side of the card, or yeah, just so it looks like it's kind of going at the side of the card. So I'm just going to put another little glue dot on, if I can find where I've put them. There they are. So I'm just going to put another one on there. I think I'll just put one in the middle actually. And then put that about there. And then I've also got, where did I put them? These cute little hearts, which I think I got these in a swap actually. I think I got these from Nina. I use them quite a lot. And pop that there. And then I might put one just there as well. And then I think the last thing is I am going to add some like sparkle to the butterfly. Just to make it shine really. Beautiful. I love this die, it's gorgeous. It cuts out really well. So there we go, we have a gorgeous single diamond foil card. I'll have all the info on my blog, and obviously it folds flat so you can get it in, you know, a regular envelope, and then you could put some card on the back to write a message, or you know, a sentiment, or whatever you want to have on the back. But yeah, beautiful. I think that would be a nice Mother's Day card as well. So thanks for watching. I'll be back again soon. I've got quite a few more videos to share with you this week. So yeah, take care and bye for now.